Get ready to revolutionize your distribution game with the unstoppable force of Hyder hand pallet trucks, where power meets precision and success is inevitable. Hold on tight. Our hand pallet trucks boast a grip that's not just practical, but downright exhilarating. Feel the difference with our rubber-wrapped handle. It's not just a tool. It's an experience. Boom. Need a heavyweight champion for your loads? Our thickened fork is ready to take on the world. It's not just lifting. It's a declaration of strength. Brace yourselves for a performance that's nothing short of spectacular. The heart of our hand pallet trucks. The casting pump. Delivering a smooth and long-lasting show of pure power. Watch out. Tight spaces. Our hand pallet trucks dance their way into closed pallets with extra wheels on the top of the fork. Say goodbye to obstacles and hello to efficiency. Take your pick from the powerhouse lineup: 2 ton, 2.5 ton, and 3 ton hand pallet trucks. Because success comes in various sizes. And we've got them all. Hold your breath, not for the prices, but for the excitement. Our hand pallet trucks offer mind-blowing performance at prices that make your wallet do a happy dance. Get ready to amplify your distribution prowess with Hyder hand pallet trucks. Don't just lift. Elevate your game.